Today we're going to be talking about how to add a death count to your Minecraft world using /scoreboard. You will see we'll have three relatively simple commands. We need to create the objective, we need to add the players to the list, and we need to display the death count on the side like over here. So it should be relatively simple. Let's get right into it. Let's do /scoreboard right here, put objectives, add, and then this is your keyword. This is what the computer will remember as your counter. Let's just put that as death right here. And for criteria, this is the command set that the server runs every time something happens in your world. So let's set that to death count. It should come up right there. In your display name, you will notice if you type in anything here in just normal text, it will show up red, and red is bad. So we want to use a squiggly bracket right here to specify this is indeed text. Make sure to use quotations. If you don't, it will not work. And go ahead, after you've typed all that in, put in what you would like to see on the sidebar where it will eventually show up. I would like to put down death count. And if you wanted to just do that, you would just end it in a quotation and squiggly bracket and press enter. If you want it to be colored, you can go ahead and delete that squiggly bracket and add another quotation mark with a comma. Then you'll put color right here, quotation, a colon, another quotation, and then whichever color you would like. There's multiple colors that are stored in the files, like red, aqua, and so on. You can also use a hex code if you would like. For now, I'm just going to put red, end it with a quotation and squiggly bracket. You'll see it turns green, and that means it's good. So we'll go ahead and press enter there. You can see it created a new objective down there called death count. So now you want to add players to this scoreboard so you can track them. Let's go /scoreboard once more, and we'll go to players this time, and we'll add everybody to deaths. That's your keyword right there, and you'll set the score to 0, meaning that nobody has died yet. Right now, everyone is at 0 deaths. So with this final command, scoreboard objectives, we can hit set display right here, and we can select sidebar and our keyword deaths. And once we press enter, it will show up on the side right there, and we can see I have 0 deaths on this server. And if I do a /kill on myself, you'll see that number increases by 1. Okay, sorry about that. I actually did forget to add how to clear the scoreboard. I will do that right now. We'll do a /scoreboard right here, players, and we are going to reset, and then you can target whoever you want to reset the death count of, that being everyone. You would use at A. You can also use a specific username if you would like, or you can also do at A and target specific players by doing name. You could also use an exclamation point to make sure that is everyone except that person. So if I were to do that with anyone else on the server, I would do something like this, end it with a square bracket right there. So that command right there would run everyone else on the server's death count back to 0, and I would stay at my 1. I can run that right now. As you can see, no one is found because I have no friends. If I were to run that again and I have it like that without the exclamation point, it will take away my death count over here, as you can see. And don't worry if it doesn't display your name in there. As long as you die one more time, it'll come right back. Hope that was relatively helpful and simple. Have a nice day.